machine. Give some news on that in a moment. 1 o'clock on Sunday afternoon, Central European summertime, and we're heading into the last 2 hours. It seems like a lifetime ago, but the two Lamborghinis lined up, blocking out the front row. Lamborghini had never been on the front row before, they've done it in style. Didn't start well for either of them. A jump start for the outside front row, the green and white number 130. Did jump the light, but did get ahead of the pole sitter before the starting line. The pole sitter then subsequently got a tap from the number 3 Winwood car and had to come into the pit lane. They caught traffic partway through their second lap, but Group 3's first lap. And we mentioned at the time, it looked like a police chase as they were coming through the early laps. If you weren't with us earlier on, the good news is that the YouTube archive.
Max skoro venku, možná tačnul bariéru. Myslím si, že zadkem tačnul bariéru, aby se nepřetočil.
They realised Condor Racing Ferrari wheels on damp grass do not mix. Tyres good on tarmac, not so good on damp grass. Keep it on the green with the Yokohama advance. One of the more bizarre incidents I've seen, not the fact that the clamshell popped up at Alexander Sims on the Audi, but the fact that he ran into the back of someone else with a bit of confusion going on. Max Verstappen did a double stint in the daylight hours and brought the car in the lead. Could they hang on to the lead? That was the question we were asking
To je Estra venku.
Well, a lot of the main competitors had some bad luck or shot themselves in the foot. For Grello, the number 911 Manthey Porsche, and for Kevin Estra, he was one of 2 victims from the sharp end of the field on what was effectively an oil slick at Bluchen 2.
A minutu a půl na to ten Mustang.
Arjun Maini in the Ford, same accident, went in forwards rather than backwards. When we were green,
Kombík, co předjede, vole, Verstappena.
at the front of the field just before sunset was spellbinding.
A to ještě bylo, vole, během těch 4 hodin, ve. To bylo všechno během 4, max 5 hodin. Falken out. Bohužel. To bylo jediný ty 2 crashe, no. Krásný svítání a tam, vole, líknul olej. Takže lítali, vole, do kačírku. Pneumatika v píči. To už je za tenhle závod 3. Co jen tak bouchla. 4. možná. Other than that, number 80, Fabio Schiller car, although there was a coming together between Mauro Engel and Max Verstappen after it got dark. Verstappen showed his class in the rain. Another close moment with the 777 Tracy Crowe Porsche and the uncompromising style that we expect from Max Verstappen. Další close call jak svině. A tady už Verstappen měl problémy. Pravá zadní. And then the issue.
Mímovaná dáče ulitlo i kolo.
First of all, it was that number 3.
Out of nowhere.
Woodward Racing, Verstappen.com, Danny Hunkadea with a shrug of the shoulders with that technical defect, and the Dacia Logan with 3 wheels only.